man. Them dudes, Paul Sparker, we in the building. Niggas thought I lost it, huh? To whom it may concern, dog. Hey, excuse me, miss. The one I could've had a future with. A real definition of what beauty is. My little sex enthusiast. Stay smashing through the Kama Sutra list. My black queen, who I had dreams of ruling with. Any other thoughts would be ludicrous. Trill shit, your realness. Stun me like a Shawn Michael super kick. And you dismiss, I just fuck. Then you dismiss, but you, I just tried my luck. I was new to this. At first I wasn't doing shit, but in the back of my mind, I felt I was passing the time until I ruined it. I mean, who I'm fooling, miss? I was known for foolishness, but please understand, you played a hand in producing it. Temptation is impatient. Yeah, I started choosing it till finally my stupid shit led her to being through with it. Wanted her to stay, she danced like that clueless chick, but truly, miss, still to this day, you are truly miss. Got a nigga wondering what you doing, who you do it with. If I got a part of your heart, or did I lose it, miss? If you're viewing this, I'm sorry, no more excuses, miss. I guess a happy conclusion just wasn't in our movie script. Hey,
Yeah, boy.
them dudes, and we at this bitch, so gone.